What is going on, everybody? Out on the bike again. Trash cans in the sidewalk. I gotta run into town. Gonna run to the bank real quick. Today is Wednesday. Let me see. Let me get my watch up. It is Wednesday, November the 23rd, 2022. It is, so I got a notification on my watch. It's 68 degrees and it says it's mostly cloudy. So it's warmed up a little bit. Feels pretty good out here today. Got a jacket on. It's we got Thanksgiving tomorrow. Got to start buying Christmas presents. I guess they'll have some good sales on Black Friday. Who knows? Don't seem like the sales are as good as they used to be, but you know, it is what it is. Just can't get as much anymore. Hadn't been up to a whole lot. Just about the same old thing. Made a math video this morning on statistics. Been playing my Oculus. I only played one game of mini putt-putt last night. Normally I play at least 2. Sometimes 3 or 4. There's been a couple of times I played 5 matches, but I just played one last night. I got to play in warplanes last night. Playing in the multiplayer. That's fun. We had about, I played several multiplayer matches. I like doing the co-op. They have a death match where you shoot each other down. But I like doing the co-op where we all work together. We had about 300 fighters we had to shoot down. I think there was about 6 or 7 of us. I had 80 kills, I think. And I didn't get killed any. Or maybe once I crashed or something. I can't remember. But I had 80 kills. It was fun. I've got both warplane games. The first one I have is Warplanes World War I fighters. So that's based on World War I. And then I have Warplanes Battles Over the Pacific. That's based on World War II. And you know, you think, well, there's not much difference there, but I tell you, it's a big difference in the planes you're flying. The ones in the World War II, they fly a lot faster. It's they're a little touchier on the flying, keeping them steady. And those fighters that you got to shoot down in the World War II game, those things are moving it. I mean, they're flying fast. And it's harder to shoot them down. And you have to also, in the World War II, you have to raise your landing gear, put your flaps up and down to slow down, and all that kind of stuff. You don't have to in the World War I game. I guess those planes aren't as sophisticated. But it's fun. Yeah, the fighter planes in the World War I game, they fly a little slower. But I tell you, you know, you really feel like you up in the air flying too when you're playing that game. It's fun though. And there was a couple of guys in there flying. They're pretty good. They can fly those planes good and they can shoot good. I'm getting better the more I play. But yeah. A bumpy sidewalk here. It looks smooth, but it's got a lot of bumps in it. My wife, she flew with me last night. She got on my daughter's headset. I got her in the World War I plane flying. She didn't know where she was half the time flying. She's not very good at the VR. She has a little trouble controlling, not just in the World War I, not just in the flying games, but all the games. She does pretty good in the bowling though, but there's not a whole lot to it. Just grab the ball and throw it down the lane. Quite a bit of traffic today. I guess everybody's taking off work. Everybody's on vacation. Well, not everybody, but a lot of people. But boy, I tell you what, the break has sure been nice. Being off work. I go back in a week. Yeah, today's Wednesday, so I go back this coming up Wednesday. We'll start back winter quarter. Johnny's Pizza. Yeah, they got a I'm gonna go to the window to the bank, see if I can't take this money out. I don't have my license. I lost it. But I did, but before I lost my license, I put my license on LA Wallet. We got a LA Wallet app on our phone. We can use that for our license, but the bank, they won't take the phone. Well, I mean, they'll take the license, but they have to, I think if you go through the window, you gotta have you gotta have your actual license, but if you go in, they'll take the phone. They'll take your license on the phone, but I've got an old license, got a hole punched in it. Hey. All right.
I want to ask you a question about this bike.
All right.
I have been looking at these bikes on the internet for 2 months. I was surprised when I saw you. I said, man, that's exactly what I've been looking at.
Oh, the lectric?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How you like it?
I love it.
Really?
Yeah, I've got, let's see. I got 1,247 miles on it. It's still going. Yeah, typically if I have errands to run, I got to go in town, I go on this.
Man, I love that. That is
Yeah.
awesome.
You ought to get you one.
Well, I've been looking at them, and I built this last year. I bought this brand new, and I built it last year. We go to Colorado and all over, and do this. I said, man, if I had an e-bike, I could take that off and, maybe road a little bit.
Yeah.
Trails and stuff like that.
Yeah, they actually have bike racks you can put on the back too that'll hold these things.
Yeah, I got one. I don't know if mine would hold that, a double rack,
Yeah.
And
Are you thinking about getting one or two bikes?
well, I got my wife, so I don't know. I mean,
I got my wife one. She has one just like this. Hers is white.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Y'all live around here?
Yeah, over there by George Welch.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
We live over here, kind of across from the plant place up there. Arkansas Road. We kind of live across the road from that. Panzico.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, I drive right by there every time I come to town. Panzico's. Yeah, it's pretty nice riding around here. You got a lot of sidewalks.
Yeah.
You ride on, and the people for the most part, they'll stop for you and let you go. But they I've ridden from George Welch. I rode to Monroe Civic Center and back on one charge. I still had some battery left too.
That's what I was fixing to say. How many miles can you go on it?
It all depends.
Depends on how fast you go and things like that.
They have pedal assist,
Right.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The lower the pedal assist, the further you can go. Or
So that means you're helping it out as you go.
you're pedaling and the motor's going too.
Okay.
And I mean, it really don't even, half the time it don't even feel like you're pedaling because the motor's assisting you. And then they have where I can just do throttle. I don't even have to pedal. And that'll drain the battery faster, but other than that. But now they have a battery you can get now that's a longer range battery to go in them.
And I mean, it'll still go in that bike?
Yeah.
Does the battery kind of slide up in there?
Yeah, it's right here in this thing.
Yeah.
And they have the one where the bar comes straight across, and then they have this where it slants down. They call it the step through. It's easier to get on and off
Yeah.
because you don't have to step over that bar.
Yeah.
So I just got us the step throughs. But
I couldn't believe it when I asked you about it, and I'm like,
yeah.
just looking at that last night.
Yeah, I've seen a couple other people. Me and my wife were driving down the road and we saw a couple were on these bikes, a black and a white one, just like we got. And but now I know lectric. They have the 3.0 out now. They have this right here is the 1.0, and then they just did you know how they just come out with newer models. Then they came out with the 2.0, now the 3.0's out. And it's the difference in, I think the main difference in this one and the 2.0 is it has suspension shocks on it. This one doesn't, but I haven't noticed a difference. I mean, I bought a Zoom seat post.
Yep.
I replaced the seat post and the seat on this bike. I got a Cloud 9 seat and I got a suspension seat post.
Yeah, that's what I put on our other bike. We got the bike before.
Mm-hmm.
Places that I couldn't handle my back.
Yeah. Yeah.
I bought one of those like you're talking about.
Yeah, and they also have, the lectric also has a premium model that has a, I don't want to say it wrong. It's got I can't remember the motor. I think this is a hub motor if I remember. And the other one, I can't remember exactly, but it's got a different motor. It's more powerful, but it's also about twice the price. I don't know how much the 3.0 is. I'm sure it's about 1,000, right at 1,000.
But I mean, by what you're saying, do you need one?
No, I mean, just riding around town and stuff, you know, you don't, I mean, I'd just go with the 3.0. And I think you can get the 3.0. I think I read it somewhere where you can get it with the longer battery too.
I haven't seen anything about that, but I mean, I hadn't studied that.
Yeah, I tell you what, y'all, if you're on Facebook, join the lectric Facebook group. And it's just a Facebook group, everybody that has one of these bikes, and we just get on there, and you know, you can ask questions and all that kind of stuff. But they're good bikes. They're the best bang for your buck.
I've been trying to get my wife to go up. We like to travel. And we went up to Fayetteville a while back.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if you know about that bike track they got.
Yeah.
To like different cities up there. I want to go ride that.
Oh yeah.
And she said, "You don't need to do that." I said, "But yeah, I want to go rent an e-bike and I want to ride that."
Yeah. Yeah, and I tell you what, you ride into town and ride back. You've put at least 10 miles on your vehicle.
Yeah.
And you know, you go on this, you're gonna save money on gas.
Yeah.
You know, and I mean, I've ridden over there to the walk-ons to pay my water bill.
Yeah.
I ride over there for that and back, and just anywhere, any kind of errand I have to run in town, I go on.
It's for you to get out.
Yeah. The next thing I'm gonna get a milk crate to put on the back. So if I need to pick something up at Walmart, I can just order it and go to curbside and have a place to put it.
You know, I was watching a deal last night, and they showed they make these things.
Mm-hmm.
You're talking about what it's made for that bike.
Mm-hmm.
They even make one that's the size where you can put a pizza in.
Oh, really?
Yeah. They make one that was talking about all the people that do pizza deliveries on those bikes.
Mm-hmm.
It's made to set the
Oh, yeah.
pizza box.
Yeah.
And then they had another one that was set up, had a basket, and had saddlebags.
Mm-hmm.
I was like, man, that's you can carry the bike
Yeah.
thing on that.
Yeah, this one, when we bought these, they came with the saddlebags.
Okay.
I don't know if they still do, but they came with them. And then I got this handlebar extender. I can mount more stuff on it. I got a light.
Yeah.
I got a phone holder. And
That's the kind of stuff I put on my other bike, and I like it.
yeah.
I just don't get out and ride a lot around here.
Yeah.
We'll take them on trips and stuff like that. But
Yeah.
if I have something like that, I'd buy it.
Oh yeah. They're nice. They come in handy. You know, just now. And this one has the 4-inch tires. I think the 3.0 may have the 3-inch tires.
Which one would you prefer?
I haven't ridden the 3.0. I haven't ridden the 3-inch wide tires, but I don't think there's much difference in them.
Around here versus like riding a little bit off-road, I'm not talking about handy stuff.
I think the fat tire, the 4-inch, would be better. I've actually ridden. I went to Caroli Park, and you know they have a bike trail, mountain bike trail. I've ridden on this. I rode that trail on this. That was rough because it's all through the woods and those hills and everything.
I walked that path.
Okay, yeah, I rode it on this. I think it's 4 miles.
You know, there's another one, Lincoln Parish Park in Russell.
Yeah.
They have one there too.
Yeah. Yeah, that's that mountain bike trail they have there. I haven't gone over there and ridden, but you know, and the good thing about these is they fold in half. The bike does.
I mean,
Yeah.
I just want to look at it.
Yeah.
I'm Mike, by the way.
I'm Steve.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Nice
Steve.
meeting you.
I appreciate you pulling over.
Oh,
and
no
showing me.
problem. No problem. Yeah, but this thing here, if you do this,
Yeah.
it'll fold in half.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
That just looks so easy.
Yeah. It
So how much do these bikes weigh?
it weighs well, don't look like it's going. Well, It weighs, I think 65 pounds.
Okay.
Yeah. But it, you know, it comes with a light on it.
Yeah.
But I got this.
Yeah.
Because it's brighter. This just doesn't shine that bright. But yeah, other than that, it's...
So is this adjustable this way or this way?
No. You can raise it up and down.
Okay.
And the seat too. I got a bike lock.
Yeah.
And then I got, let me see. This right here is a bike alarm. And so it's active. And then, so if I'm inside somewhere, if it just moves, see, it'll go off.
Wow, that is neat.
Mm-hmm.
So it's got like some kind of motion sensor inside
Mm-hmm.
that moves, huh?
Yeah.
Man, that is wild.
Mm-hmm.
That is nice, man. I like it.
Yeah.
I like it. That's exciting.
No,
I'm gonna see if I can talk my wife into doing this.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I love it. It's
I have trouble with my back. I got injured when I was in the military, and I've been having trouble with my back for years. And so I have to be real careful about, like, I can't ride like this.
Mm-hmm.
I have to sit upright, you know, to be able to ride. So I have to be careful about that. I had to make some adjustments on my other bike.
Mm-hmm.
And, but anyway, that's the only thing I'm wondering about. So
yeah.
did you order this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, they ship it to you. It's free shipping, and it comes folded up. All you do is fold it out, and it's ready to go.
Wow.
And like
I was fixing to say, does that fold down?
Yeah, the handlebars fold down like this, and then it folds in half, and I can just put it in my vehicle.
So I could probably fold 2 of those up, slide them right in the back end here.
It might fit. I don't know. I know there's people in the group that they'll post pictures every now and then of 2 bikes folded up. And what some people do, they've got those 50-gallon totes.
Yeah.
You can get at Lowe's or Home Depot.
Yeah.
They fold it up and the bikes fit in there. And you just slide them up in there. Yeah.
So in other words, if you're out and you get them dirty or whatever, you just put them in there and slide them up in the vehicle.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Yeah.
That is neat, man. I want to take it. I want to travel. You know.
Yeah.
Go out. I mean, like we've been everywhere. We've been to Yellowstone. We've been to Zion. And all these places, you know, that we'd like to go. And I'd love to do it again on a bike.
Oh yeah. There's actually people in that Facebook group that they have campers and they put their bikes on there and they go to wherever they are, and then to get around town and everything, they go on their bikes.
Yeah, that's interesting. I like that because we got a 40-foot rig too.
Mm-hmm.
And I got a big 1-ton truck we pull, and we've been out all over West and stuff like that with it. And I had regular bikes, and they wasn't quite as fun as what I thought. But I think this would be a game changer.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, they're nice. But yeah, if you get on that Facebook group, you can tell them what kind of vehicle you have and say, well, 2 bikes fit in there, and somebody's probably got a vehicle like that and figured out how to do it.
Man.
Yeah.
That is so cool, man. I like it. I can't wait to get home and tell my wife that I actually ran into you.
Yeah.
She's probably gonna be mad. You don't need that? Yes, I do.
Yeah. The only thing you got to make sure of is with the battery, make sure you take care of it. If you're not going to ride it for a while, put the battery at about 70% to store it. You don't want to leave it fully charged.
Okay.
And
it decreases the life of it?
Yeah. And basically what it is on the on here you've got it has a bar for your battery, how much battery you have left, but you don't go by that. You've got down here the voltage. For this battery, 49.7 volts, that's 70%.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Yeah.
So when you get down to say 15%, you know you got to be heading home or whatever.
Yeah.
What is the voltage? Do you know?
I don't know, but there's a on that group, they have a chart posted, the voltage and what the battery percentage is.
Okay.
And the other thing, I don't know where you're going to store your bike, you know, where you're going to keep it, but during the winter time, if you leave your bike outside, bring the battery inside.
Okay.
You don't want to store your battery in
keep
cold.
mine in a garage. My bike's now in a garage, you know.
Yeah, but if
take
it's
the battery out and store it inside.
Yeah.
Where it's warm.
yeah, yeah,
And they're probably lithium batteries, huh?
yeah,
That's probably what it is.
yeah,
I know lithium batteries, they don't like cold weather.
yeah. The battery weighs 7 pounds. It's the battery's from here to here.
That's what I saw on some video. It slides up in there, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Man, that is the coolest thing. Gosh.
Yep.
I cannot believe I ran into you.
Yeah. And I think I've had
the bike lights.
Yeah.
I've got one of these.
And I think I've had like 3 flats.
Really?
Yeah. And they were all on the back tire. That's the worst. Cause see that.
Say that's gonna be the hardest
Yeah.
to fix, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the motor right there.
Yeah.
But I take my bike, if I have a flat, I take it to House of Cycles.
I know the guy that owns that place.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, I'm friends with him.
Okay. The guy that works, I guess he works there, David. He works on the bikes. He's changed all my flats.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, in fact, that's Robert Morris. Robert Morris and I, we travel together. We go out to Colorado and stuff together. He's got a Jeep. And so we go out and hit all these Jeep trails and stuff like this.
Mm-hmm.
That's the guy that owns House of Cycles.
Okay. Okay.
It's a
Yeah.
small world.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. Yeah, you need to get you one.
I like it, man. Steve,
Yeah.
thank you for your time, man.
No
Like
problem. Steve Crow, nice to meet you.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully I'll see you around again. I like that. I look for you on Facebook.
All right.
What's your last name?
Crow, C-R-O-W.
Okay, Steve Crow. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, man. I'll try to hit you up on Facebook.
All right. Sounds good.
All right, man.
Yeah.
Hey, thanks.
All right. No problem. You too. You too. All right, so he was a nice guy. I guess he wants one of these bikes. I hope I didn't tell him anything wrong. See if we can't get over here to the bank. I don't think they've closed. My latch there, it didn't want to close there for a second. All right, so we are done at the bank. That's been a pretty good ride so far. Got my bank errand done, had a good conversation. I wish I would have told him about the helmet. He's thinking about getting one for him and his wife. They need to get him a Sienna helmet. front of me, didn't she? I don't know why my alarm's going off. I have no idea why that started going off. So I guess a little bit of excitement today, good conversation. Bike alarm just went off. I don't know why. I could have swore I turned it off. It's got a mind of its own, that alarm, I guess. Get in the road here. We're just heading back to the house. We don't have too much further to go. As usual, I will leave the camera running in case something exciting happens. But I appreciate you watching. Check out my other videos. Give me a like, share, subscribe, comment. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Later.